Hi everybody, welcome to Drawing with Mr. Jason. It's Fun Friday. Today we are going to draw one of my favorite superheroes. We're going to draw with our paper portrait, tall, not so wide, but tall. When you're writing a letter, it's going to be that format. You're going to need your drawing supply, a pencil or a pen. I would suggest a pencil. I'm going to use this Sharpie so you can see it a little bit better. If you choose to color it later, you can use any coloring tools that you have access to, but we're just going to go ahead and jump in and start our drawing. Near the middle, but up just a little bit, we're going to draw two circles, and these are going to be our superhero's eyes. Two pretty close together. Underneath each circle, draw another curved line. And in these curved lines, just a few straight lines. If you decide to color it later, this is the part that you would show the color of this character's eyes. I like to make the eyes kind of shiny, and the way we do that is we use highlights. When you color this circle part of the eye black later, leave these circles, these little circles, leave them open, and their eyes will look shiny. So I did two smaller circles in each eye. Now we'll draw some eyelashes, three little curved lines on each side. Between each eye, but down below, we're going to use a curved line for just a little nose, and a slightly bigger curved line for a smile. We're going to make a big U shape that's going to go all around the eyes for her head. We're going to start above the eyelashes. We're going to come down to about where the chin is. I'm going to pause for a moment to see where I am. And I'm going to go back up around and come up. Here's the eyes. I want to give her some eyebrows. So two curved lines on each side. Now, this will be where we give away which superhero it is, if you didn't see the slides already. We're going to draw a curved line down towards her nose. And do that from the other side. Curved line down. Straight line up, straight line up. And connect with a curved line. In this space where this headband goes, we're going to draw a carrot. Not the kind you eat, it's a carrot. It means an angle or a point. Then we're going to draw another point. And we're going to draw another point. And then we draw another point, and then one final point. And we put all 5 points together, you have a star. We're going to come down to next to each eye. We're going to draw her ears. Curved line, curved line. Letter C on the inside of the ear, a curved line paperclip shape in the other ear, or a backwards C, and a little circle for her earrings. We're going to come down and draw a shoulder. So we're going to come down to this cheek on the left side. So you see the L of your hand if you hold your thumb out. That's the left side. We're going to draw a curved line that comes down. Then we're going to draw a straight line, a slightly shorter straight line, and then connect them with slightly diagonal lines. Now we have to stop. I need to know how wide the body is. So we're going to come back up here and kind of move over just a bit, move up, and we're going to draw a zigzag line, but it's a very special zigzag. It's going to eventually become a W. So we're going to start low, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. See how it's looks like a W with wings? We're going to do that again right below it, about ½ an inch, a little bit. Up, down, up, down, up, down. But wait, there's more. One more. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's going to be 2 golden W's on top of each other. We're going to go to this side, a little bit above our W. We're going to draw a slightly curved line that comes down below her bracelet. On this side we're going to do the same thing. Slightly curved line, come down to about that same point. See how they're about the same length? So now we know how far down we can draw her hand. But we're going to connect these 2 lines first. This is going to be Wonder Woman's skirt. We're going to come down a little bit, draw a point, come across, draw a point, and connect. Between here and there, she has a golden belt. So we're going to draw a curved line with an up point, and come down and go back to the side. Now we're going to draw a curved line with a down point, and connect on the other side. Coming back over here, because we know how far we can go, we're going to draw slightly diagonal line, wavy line for her hand, and then connect. And draw a slightly curved line and connect. Draw a leg, very slightly curved line, go down a little bit more, then the point of her boot. See how it comes out right there? Come back, slightly curved line, and draw the heel. Show that a little bit closer. The heel is just like a little straight line down and then a little diagonal line. Then we're going to draw a straight line back to the top. The other leg, diagonal line, draw a point, and diagonal line all the way back up. Diagonal line for the top of that boot, point for the top of that boot. That leg's facing off to the side, this one's coming right at you, so we see it head on. That one we see the side. We're going to draw a diagonal line along the front edge of that boot, a line that goes up towards the top, and follows it back. On this boot that's headed right towards us, just 2 straight lines along the front of it, and then connect at the top with 2 diagonal lines. Over here, her other arm, she has 2. We're going to see where this shoulder is. Imagine a cross, draw a curved line, diagonal line down, and then we're going to draw her other bracelet. Diagonal line, and then connect them. Finish her elbow there. And then we're going to just draw a curve or a circle for her other hand. And connect. Now, Diana, Wonder Woman, has a magic lasso. So we're going to draw a curved line. And then another curved line. See how I went into the hand a little bit there? curve line, come back into the hand. One more go. And then off to this side, the end of her rope. Her skirt has stars. If you remember how we did the stars on the headband, we'll just draw one. Actually, we'll draw two. Point on each side. Another point. Another point. Another point. Finish it with a fifth point. I bet your Wonder Woman are looking fantastic. Alright, now, I know there are some amazing artists in our class, and girls, boys, anybody that wants to draw, you can make your hair look however you want. If you want Wonder Woman to be you, draw your hair. It wouldn't be very effective for Mr. Jason. But if you have short hair and you want to draw yourself as Wonder Woman, draw short hair. If you want to follow along with me, I'm going to just draw some really long hair like the comic book character. But if you want to make yourself Wonder Woman, you can customize. Make it all about what you look like. We're going to start above this star and draw a curved line. Comes down to about the ear on each side. Oops, I probably want them to connect. And then over here, we draw a curved line and then a swirl. We come back, connect it. There's a space here. Her hair would go there. Follow through where I think the hair would go. Little space there. And then a curved line that connects there. I'm not going to have you draw this. I'm just going to show you something. Don't draw. Do not draw this. Pretend the sun is coming from that direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line, a curved line inside of that curve. Then we're going to come down to the shoulder and draw another curved line that meets at that point. And then right here at this point, we're just going to draw a little curved line there. So when you color your hair, this big piece would be really dark, but these smaller pieces would be a little bit lighter because that's where the sun would be shining. We're going to draw a little bit more here. We're going to draw a curved line, and maybe just a little zigzag. That's another place where this hair is really dark, but that's a little bit of a highlight where the sun is showing on the hair. So that is our Wonder Woman. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll show you a color version. See, we drew the same thing. Highlight, highlight. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next week with Drawing with Mr. Jason. Please be sure to tell your teachers if you have any recommendations for what you would like to draw next week.